Hey guys, Liana here. I've made this amazing recipe. It's a lentil shepherd's pie and it's another great way to explore healthier eating that you can actually sustain. We're going to do a potato mash / cauliflower hybrid. Now we're going to prep the vegetable lentil stir fry. And I'm going to add the onions, adding some garlic, a carrot. Now we're going to add the Explore Cuisine green lentil penne, some rosemary, some turmeric, some oregano, some thyme and cumin, a little bit of sea salt and some black pepper. Okay, the last thing to do to the lentil vegetable stir fry part of the shepherd's pie is to add the peas. So once the potato and cauliflower is cooked, drain it and add it to the bowl. Add some buttery coconut oil, minced garlic, a bit of salt and some pepper, and some nutritional yeast as well. And then lastly, I'm going to use some vegan milk. And then mash it all up. Now it's time to build this vegan lentil shepherd's pie. Okay, so the final step in our vegan shepherd's pie is to chop up some green onions. Be sure to check out more recipes like this on Explore Cuisine's channel. Enjoy, guys!